Landr Studio has been an incredible set of tools for me, and it's one that I highly recommend. But now there's Landr Studio Pro. So what's the difference between Landr Studio and Landr Studio Pro, and is it worth the upgrade? So let's find that out. But I just want to let you know this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but Landr have given me a link that you can use down in the description, and that's going to save you $50 off if you do the annual, but it also saves you a percentage off if you do monthly. So if you're new to Landr Studio and you're not sure what it's all about, I'll quickly go through it. What you're getting here is a huge selection of plugins, and these are incredible plugins. I've gone over this in another video, but there's a ton of plugins in there. And since I've joined, which was several months ago, they've added even more, and they're high-end plugins. They're not just cheap plugins. Also, what you get is 1,200 credits for downloading their samples, and they have tons and tons of samples that you can go through here and download using your 1,200 credits. But every week, they give you a new sample pack. So that's an entire pack. They give it to you for free, and they switch it up every week. You can choose to download it or not. You can see this week it is premium strings. If I want, I could download it, or I can just say I want this and not download it, and it's going to be listed under my account anyway, and then later on I can download it if I want. So you get samples, you get plugins. What else do you get with Landr Studio? You get unlimited distribution. So you want to get your music onto Spotify, iTunes, and all of those major online music stores and streaming sites. You can release unlimited tracks with your Landr Studio membership. And that's really nice right there. Now, also what you get in here is you get some collaboration tools if you want to collab with people or find other people to collab with you. And there's even ways that you can sell your services on here. So if you want to play bass on somebody's album, you can post on there that you're an awesome bass player and you're willing to work on whatever types of music, and they can hire you and pay you to work on that. Or you're a beat creator, you make awesome beats, somebody can hire you on there for that. Or you're a producer, whatever your skill is, you can lend it to somebody else through the collaboration and you can sell it to them. So you can make money on Landr Studio. And if you want to upgrade your skills, there's a ton of premium courses in here that you get for free with your Landr Studio membership. And that's with the Landr Studio Pro and the regular Landr Studio. You get a ton of tutorials and courses in there, which are awesome. With Landr Studio, the regular one, you get unlimited masters. But your unlimited masters can only be MP3. You're allowed to have up to 36 wave masters, or 3 per month for the whole year. And that's actually quite a bit for a lot of us. 36 wave masters, that's a couple of albums worth or several EPs worth, or 36 singles. Now, if you want to release a lot of music, or if you're like me and you do a lot of revisions and remixing and that sort of thing, then you may want unlimited wave masters. And with Landr Studio Pro, that's what you get. So that's kind of the only difference between Landr Studio and Landr Studio Pro, is you get unlimited wave masters. Now, for me, I love that because I'll mix down a song and then I'll go and I'll master it in Landr Studio. And the Landr Studio mastering has become like my favorite. I use it all the time, but I come in here, I do the master, and typically it's in MP3. I listen to it. Okay. Now I want to go back and adjust some things so I can do the master again, because I hear what the master is bringing out or not bringing out, and then I remix. So I keep doing that, and with the MP3s, that's fine, but I do like to have the unlimited wave masters because I don't feel limited at all. I'm always worried about using my 36 wave masters because I do have actually a couple of albums I want to release very soon. I have quite a few tracks ready to go for 2 albums worth of music. I don't know if 36 is going to cut it, and I also have singles that I'm going to want to do, and maybe an EP in there as well. So Landr Studio Pro for me is awesome. And if you want to check out the Landr Studio effects plugins, click the video on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.